Hey guys, welcome back to another spec adventure. My name is Tommy, and right next to me is my good friend Richard's NC3 Miata. Today we are going to be installing something pretty exciting. Richard is upgrading from his Flying Miata Coney setup to something more track-worthy setup. Richard goes to the track pretty often, and this is more like a dedicated car for the track. He is going to be upgrading to something more exciting, more track dedicated Coilovers setup. This setup has the 12K upgraded spring for the front and 7K Swiss spring for the back. So I think he'll see a lot of roll stiffness from the suspension compared to his Flying Miata setup.
I think the hardest part of watching this is for you.
Oh, I don't watch it. Did you see it?
No, I did not.
Wow. Oh, so long.
We need to push down on the thing.
Yeah, maybe push down a little bit, step on it, or maybe pry on it.
I can step on it.
Try it. More. Okay, don't let go, okay? Don't let go. Don't let go.
I'm still exerting effort. So I'm still stepping on it. Yeah.
Okay, it's not lying. Let go a little bit.
I don't know where to go. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. Okay. It's gonna struggle for a little bit. Let's see. Oh man. Drop. Okay, I'm gonna drop them.
I can let go.
Yeah, I don't think it'll drop. Now I need to line this bolt up.
It's too low. Your
Suspension.
suspension is too low.
Okay,
I think
someone
this
need
needs
to-
to go down. Yeah,
Someone need
you're.
to step on it.
Yeah, Richard.
Can you like maybe go on this side? Step on it. Step on the yeah. Step on the brake. Yeah, yeah. Step on it. More. Oh, let go. Let go. Let go.
That's too much.
Let go.
Right there. Right there. Right there. There you go.
Nice.
Nice. You're good.